Good morning, Gordon. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Technically, a lot of the techs are just kind of weak. And we know that. But when you know this stuff, you buy SPX puts. Yesterday they went to 30. They went to 30 from 2. We sold them at 15 and rolled down and sold those at 5. So took those 4X, and that's how you trade them. I mean, look, here's the thing. Till winners can go up and hold, then that's what you have. Look. I mean, I've been saying this for 3-4 weeks now. We bought Align Technology. Let's go through this because they're off the screen. They're not even on my screen. So we bought Align Technologies, 380s. They went to 410. From 410, it's 340, 347. It's down $60 on great earnings. Okay, it's down 60, and we bought it and made huge money. Boston Beer is at 360. We bought the 370s, made 5X. Huge winner. Okay, Roku went to 97. It's 77. It's down 20. It's down 20. Caterpillar. We bought Caterpillar. Caterpillar, way up there, went to 294. It's 282. It's down 12. It's down 12. Okay? NOW, great earnings. Didn't do great, but then it ripped back up to 290. It's 250. It's down 40. Okay? I mean, every single huge winner, there's only one that's held. There's only one that's held. That's Booking. Every other one has gone down. Carvana comes out 2 days ago, basically guides higher. Huge earnings, goes down. SMCI beats and raises and guides higher. It gets banked $80. Okay, so if you know that that's happening, even when the market goes up like yesterday, what's the first thing Sam does? He looks at the last one. Oh, Lam Research. Lam Research goes to 726. It's down 50. Okay? Avago hits 922, Sam's number. It's down 80. Okay? So when you see this, you see a move like yesterday, the first thing you look at is, what's the last big thing that came out with great earnings? Oh, Caterpillar. So Caterpillar is up 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, with the SPX up 54. That tells you they're buying garbage. Okay, learn this. Remember this. Remember this when you're not in Sam's room or you're doing your own stuff or whatever. If they're buying garbage, if the people on CNBC are coming on and saying, we need this to pan out and all the other stuff needs to go. The good stuff don't need to go, but go buy the shit. Think about this. The people that come out and say it's a thin market, that's not real. What they're telling you, it's not a thin market. It's the companies that are shit. They're not making money. Let me tell you, if you're like a Starbucks, I mean, this stuff is really important, guys. If you're like a Starbucks and you can't make your numbers and you sit into a room and you say, oh, let's just go raise prices 50 cents. That muffin we're selling for $3 that you can go buy at Tom Thumb for $1, we're going to go buy 100,000 muffins at $1, and instead of selling them at $3, we're going to sell them for $3.25. Oh, and then everybody's going to say, oh my God, we got growth. You don't have growth because at some point you can't sell those anymore. So that $3.25 muffin sits in there overnight, and now you got day old shit, and then it's hard and crusty, and who the hell knows? Okay? So this is what they're doing. Let's go put that squirt of caramel in the caramel macchiato, let's go raise that 25 cents. This is what they're doing. That doesn't mean your business is better. That means your business is worse. That's why things pop on these things, and they're just garbage. CMG, they keep beating, and they're taking the. Let me tell you, CMG is so scummy. Their CEO is so scummy. I like their stock. We trade the stock, but the guy is scummy. You used to get a burrito bowl, and he'd give you a tortilla on the side. So then he started charging 10 cents for the tortilla. Okay, so you get your bill, and it's 10 cents more, and you don't even know it. Okay? Then he raises it to 25 cents. He raises it to 25 cents, and he beats, and his stock goes 150 points. Then the next quarter, he says, oh my God, avocados are going up. So let's go raise avocado. He just thinks he can just raise prices forever. Forever. And he can till people stop. And when they stop coming, they don't go back. They don't go back. For a long, long, long time. Let me tell you what's happening at the Wendy's by me. This is fascinating to me. Wendy's raised their price of a single by me, not in California, they're already $10, from $3 to $5.50. $5.50. And you know what's on their big sign when you drive by? Buy one, get one free. Single. For the last month and a half. They doubled the price, almost doubled the price, and now they're buy one, get one free. So effectively, it's the same price. Oh, what happened? Oh, people quit going to Wendy's and saying, hey, I have 2 kids and I have a family. I need 4 singles. That's $24. I'm not going to pay $40 at Wendy's. They won't do it. They quit. So when you beat and raise, it goes back to technology that can hold the gains. But even they can't hold the gains right now. The reason I'm rambling is the PPI is coming out here. Okay? And if they can't hold the gains, then they go lower. And then when they start thinking AI again, they're going to take this back up again within maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But right now, it's going lower. So we bought SPX puts and destroyed them. Great. And let me tell you, market's up 3. I would love it up 20. Goes up 20 again, we'll buy puts again. Because they're not holding. I mean, 5 times in the last 2 or 3 weeks, if you bought puts, as soon as the big boys start going down, you get in. So let's say today the market rips up 20 and Caterpillar goes up 2. As soon as Caterpillar drops 1, and then it's only up 50 cents, boom, you go buy puts. That's the thing. Why is Lam Research coming down? Oh, wait a second here. Let me tell you something. And KLA Tencor told you chips are starting to sell. You're going to tell me SMCI beat and raise, NVIDIA nonstop, and we're going to have less memory sold? No. It's just coming down. It's okay. Here we go. Let's see what it is. Hold on. It is 310. So it's hotter number. Not a ton, but it's hotter. That means the producers are charging more. Okay? So here's the difference between producer and consumer. Consumer is what you pay. Producer is what, say, Wendy's pays. Okay? So that's not a good number. Maybe we go down to 44.20 today on the SPX. That's where it wants to get to. Okay? So just know that. Don't force trades. Just chill and wait. All week. We started this Monday. I said chill and wait. We're just going very slow and small trades. And then when you're ready and you buy some SPX puts, you go buy. I mean, look, I didn't buy 100 yesterday. I bought 80. So definitely last, right? SPX down 12. This is not a good number. Okay? So just understand that. So that's what's happening. They just raise prices. They think they can. And they can till they can't. And That's the market you have. Okay? That's the market you have. Okay? That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Hold on a sec. Okay. That's what we know. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay. Let's get started. 8-11. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see. Okay? Interesting. Okay, SPX down 12. It's down 8. So let's say 8, you're at 44.60. 44.60. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see 44.60, 44.92 up, 44.51 down, and then 44.20. Anything under 44.20 gets really, really ugly. Okay? Under 44.20 gets ugly. Then we see. Okay? Avago. This thing's down $80 from 920. Sam's numbers, golden, 920, can't get through, down 80. Okay, NVIDIA starting to break lower. So the NVIDIA thing, here's the thing nobody knows, very interesting. Did China's $5 billion order, is that part of the $8 billion raise? Nobody knows that answer. Or did they raise by $8 billion and they got another $5 billion order from China? Nobody knows that answer. If they didn't get the other new $5 billion order from China, then they may not guide up huge by next quarter, and that takes NVIDIA down to 340, 330. Okay? So just understand that. So that's the thing. Okay, under 416, it's 409. Lam Research, 706, big number. Wait. AMAT earnings on Thursday. AMAT earnings on Thursday, then we see. Okay? So then we see what happens there. Okay? What else? Lilly. Big move, 538 up, 498 down. UPST, no man's land. Let it go lower, probably to 26. Okay? Then we see. Snowman. I actually like Snow 170s for earnings. We're going to wait when we get near and let it come down. I would love it to come down to about 140. Okay? 149. MDB. This thing is down $70 on database. It's down $70. Okay? That's all you need to know. $70. Okay? Needs 392 up. So it needs to go way lower, 392. And downside, 331. Okay? Carvana, 41.47. Zscaler, 152. Roku. This thing is down 20. It's down 20. So here's the interesting part of Roku. They come out with earnings and they say it's great and great numbers. TTD comes out with earnings and says it's just average. And people say, oh, I trust TTD's numbers to affect Roku more than Roku's own numbers. Well, that's because the CEO doesn't know what he's doing. We know that. Told you that on Roku. BKNG 3320. Way up there is a beast number. So just waiting. Okay? Caterpillar, 288. When it's near 288, we'll probably take another shot. Maybe buy some later in the day if it pops back up. But market looks weak. Market looks weak today into a Friday. No particular reason to do a ton of stuff. So just waiting, unless we get an opportunity. Okay? SMCI, 282, 291. The first day it moves 20 points up is the day it's ready. It can't move up 6 or 7. The first day it moves up 20, it's ready. But right now, NVIDIA is working lower, so this is just kind of weak. NOW, just weak. It tried yesterday, got to 265, dropped 10. Okay? So it actually dropped 20. Okay? So understand that. Microsoft, 319, 316. Tesla, 239, 231. Okay, comments, questions. Let's go to comments, questions. Nothing. Okay, that's what you know. And that's the market you got. Another nice week. Thanks, everyone. See you, chat.